Join me as I try to predict which cameras are going to be the hottest in 2025. The camera market is about to get even more exciting, folks. With 2025 just around the corner, photography enthusiasts and professionals alike are eagerly anticipating the latest and greatest cameras that will take their craft to the next level. And let me tell you, this year is shaping up to be a game changer. In today's fast-paced world of photography, it's getting increasingly difficult to keep up with the rapid advancements in technology. New cameras are being released left and right, each boasting its own set of innovative features and improvements. It's overwhelming, to say the least. As a photographer, it's hard to know which camera is worth investing in, especially when there are so many options available. From mirrorless to DSLR, from full frame to crop sensor, the choices are endless. And let's not forget about the constant evolution of camera software and accessories. It's a lot to keep track of. Another challenge photographers face is the constant pressure to stay ahead of the curve. With social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube, the competition for attention has never been fiercer. Everyone wants to take the perfect shot, and it's getting harder to stand out in a crowded market. That's why it's essential to stay informed about the latest camera trends and innovations. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, being aware of what's available can make all the difference in taking your photography to the next level. The camera market is also becoming increasingly fragmented, with different manufacturers catering to different niches and styles of photography. From landscape to portrait, from sports to wildlife, each genre has its own set of unique demands and requirements. And that's not even mentioning the rise of smartphone photography, which is rapidly closing the gap between compact cameras and high-end DSLRs. It's a lot to take in, and it can be daunting to navigate the vast array of options available. Advancements in camera technology are happening at an incredible pace, and 2025 is shaping up to be a year of groundbreaking innovations. One of the most exciting trends is the continued development of full-frame sensors, which are allowing for unparalleled image quality and low-light performance. Lenses are also getting more advanced, with improved optical designs and materials that are enabling photographers to capture stunning images with unprecedented sharpness and clarity. And let's not forget about the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are being integrated into cameras to enable features like advanced autofocus, enhanced noise reduction, and even automated editing capabilities. Another trend that's gaining traction is the increased focus on connectivity and workflow efficiency. Cameras are getting more connected, with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even 5G capabilities. This means that photographers can transfer images and videos wirelessly, edit on the go, and share their work instantly with the world. It's an exciting time for photographers, and it's clear that the cameras of 2025 are going to be more powerful, more connected, and more capable than ever before. In the midst of all these advancements and innovations, there are a few cameras that are really standing out from the crowd. In my opinion, the top 3 cameras that are going to dominate the market in 2025 are the Sony A7RV, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II, and the Nikon Z9 II. Each of these cameras boasts incredible features and capabilities that set them apart from the competition. The Sony A7RV, for example, is rumored to have a 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, as well as advanced autofocus and video capabilities. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II, on the other hand, is expected to have improved low-light performance and enhanced weather sealing. And the Nikon Z9 II is said to have a 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, as well as advanced video features and improved battery life. What sets these cameras apart is their ability to adapt to different photography styles and genres. Whether you're a landscape photographer, a portrait photographer, or a wedding photographer, each of these cameras has something unique to offer. They're not just cameras, they're tools that can help you unlock your full creative potential. In conclusion, 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for photographers. With groundbreaking innovations, advanced features, and improved connectivity, the cameras of the future are going to be more powerful and more capable than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's an exciting time to be a part of the photography community. So, what do you think? Which camera features are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to suggest other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.